Hey guys, Jeff here with Fat Kids Barbecue. We have the cowboy grill warming up. We're gonna cook some more chicken wings. Hey guys, did somebody say orange marmalade chicken wings? Yeah, you heard that right. So, what we're gonna do, this is a real simple cook today. Most of them are. I'm gonna take our chicken wings. We're gonna throw a knife on the floor. So we're gonna take our chicken wings. It's really a simple thing to get prepped for. Real easy prep today. We're gonna douse them with a little bit of EVO. The reason I do this is it helps them brown when I'm putting them out on the grill. You can saw that we have the bare bones cowboy grill warming up. That thing's turning out to be a lot of fun. This recipe's kind of delicious. When I was a kid, my mother used to make orange marmalade chicken, grilled chicken breast with orange marmalade on it. So I thought, why not do it with chicken wings? Let's see how it comes out. Who knows? So we've got these guys tossed in the olive oil. We have our bare bones grill warming up out there. I did put some hickory chunks in there today, and I'm gonna try something new on that. I went out and I got this pan, and we're gonna cover the grill with it and see if we can smoke these wings so we can get a nice flavor out of them. Alright, so we're going to put this lid right over the top to see if we can trap some of the smoke in. Our wings are coming across nicely, so I thought I'd come out, check on them, flip them over, see how we're doing. Now we'll cover these guys back up. Alright guys, so our wings are out on the bare bones cowboy grill cooking up, and they're looking fantastic. So it's time for us to come back into the kitchen, and we're going to whip up our, it's almost going to be a glaze more than anything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix this stuff all together. I will put the recipe down below, but it's really simple. It's orange marmalade. We are going to add some soy sauce to the mix. About that much. And Dijon mustard. And I don't think my mother would have ever added Dijon mustard. Dijon mustard, say that 10 times fast, to this. Oh, this smells amazing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this outside. Wow. Unbelievable. We'll get this outside, and then we'll toss our wings in it, and we'll put them back on the grill so that they can cook, and we'll leave a little left so that we can brush them on the wings in the end. Alright guys, so our wings are looking really good, so I thought it'd be time to come out and pull our lid off. Ah, they look beautiful. So I think what we're going to do now, we're going to take our sauce. We're just going to brush our sauce on. I know I said I was going to dump them in here, But I think this is going to be just as good. Wow. These are going to be amazing. My family told me I say amazing way too often. All right, we're gonna cover these guys. We're gonna cover them back up and let them smoke for a little bit longer. All right, guys, so our wings finished cooking. It took probably about 30 to 45 minutes. Flipped them a couple of times, brushed them, dipped them. Everything that you could possibly do to a wing, I did. Now I'm going to do the best thing you can do to a wing. Try one out. Wow. Boy. Is that amazing. You have a nice smoke flavor. You got a hint of the, because I charred them a little bit, you get a hint of that flavor. You get a nice subtle hint of the marmalade. It's not overpowering. Unbelievable. These guys are crazy good. Wow. Or as I like to say, simply amazing. Thanks, guys. If you like what you see, please click that like button down below, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell thing so you can see what wings we're doing next. Wow. Boy, is that hot. Wow, is that good.